the start. Raise yourself and rig yourself. Take all the courage you have left. Waste it on fixing all the problems that you made in your own head. But it's not. Know that you've seen this all before.